how to get Roblox on your TV. All right, first things first, go ahead and turn on your TV. Grab your remote, and we're going to look for the built-in web browser. On this layout, you just scroll right past your usual streaming apps on the main dock until you see this browser icon right here. Got it? Awesome. Go ahead and click on that. Once the browser opens up, it'll probably bring you to a default homepage like Bing. See that search bar way up at the very top? Navigate your cursor up there and click it to bring up your on-screen keyboard. Now, just type in Roblox. You don't even have to type the whole URL. Just the word itself is perfect. Hit enter, and your search results are going to pop right up. Now, make sure you don't accidentally click on a weird ad or a random video link. Look for the very first official result that says Roblox.com. Take your remote, move that little blue hand cursor right over the main Roblox title, and give it a click. Boom! We are officially on the Roblox landing page. If you already have an account, you can just hit log in the top corner. But if you're starting fresh, just fill out this quick sign-up sheet right here in the middle. Toss in a birthday, pick a fun username, like I just used a placeholder name here, and create a secure password. Once you've got all your details filled in, hit that big white sign up button. And just like that, you are officially in. You've got your whole dashboard right here on the big screen. If this quick walkthrough saved you some headaches, do your friend a solid. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other quick TV setups. Drop a comment below and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.